Let's look at another student answer. We got this wonderful diagram. I want you to just look at this, think about it. Private think time. Think about this one. I'm seeing a few private thumbs. Remember that when you and your partner are both ready to share, you may share.
So I think he meant there's 18 chocolates, which doesn't make sense because in total there's only 9 cups of donuts. I think he misunderstood the question, just like the first person, because he probably thought like there were 9 cups of everything, and then like 9 cups of cream, and then there's 2 cups. I don't know what he meant, but he's wrong.
He doesn't get it. Can you explain it?
So, like the first I didn't hear what you said. What is 9?
I was gonna say what
So for chocolate, 8 put that.
Well, I know, but I didn't hear it. Can you say it again?
he said that he misunderstood the question, just like the first person. Because all used 9.
He probably thought like, since there was 2, in the problem said 2 cups of chocolate, he probably thought every 2 cups there's like 9 cups or something. And then that's why he got 2 times 9 equals to 18 cups. But
Okay, Deborah, what would you like to tell us about this one?
Because the student thought that he misunderstood that he thought that 9 cups was only each ingredient, so then he multiplied another one because there are 2 ingredients and then
So they used the 9 cups from there, but say, what was the rest of that really loudly so I can hear?
he thought that 9 cups is used for 1 ingredient.
9 cups was used for 1 ingredient. Do you know which one?
For cream.
Okay.
And then he multiplied another one for the chocolate, and then he got the answer 18.
And got an answer of 18. Do you know why they would have multiplied this one by 2? No. Would you call in somebody else to help with that, why they think that might have happened?
Jason.
Because I think that person got it mixed up by thinking that he had to times the 2 cups of chocolate to the answer of the in total of 9 cups, and then the answer of 1 cup of cream to the 9 whole to the in total of 9 cups. So then he made 27 cups.
Okay, so a total of 27 cups rather than the total of 9. I heard a few of you as I was walking around saying things like that this person was more on the right track than maybe the first 2 answers. Did anybody want to speak to that? Because I think I heard that from several parts of the room. Timothy?
Yeah, basically, if instead of 9 cups in all, it would be 27.
Mm-hmm.
He would have been right. He used the 9 in the wrong way.
Used the 9 in the wrong way?
By multiplying by
Okay.
9 meant that you have to multiply the 2 and the 1.
Mm-hmm.
Then add them up. So that you get 27. But if in all, if he had done that in all, there were 27 cups, it would have been correct.
Okay. And your name again. That's right, Charlotte.
It's basically like the first problem. He thought it was 9 cups of each, and then it said 2 cups of chocolate. So basically, he multiplied 1 cup, and then he uses 9 cups for cream, and then 2 cups of the 9 cups of chocolates.
Right. Okay. All right. Thank you, Charlotte. And I know it begins with an A. Ashank.
They could have just added the 2 chocolate, the 2 cups of chocolate, and the cup of cream, which would have equaled 3, and then divided it by 9, which would actually, for every, you would get like 3, since 3 times 3 is 9, you would get 3 3s, and for every 3 there would be like 2 cups of chocolate, and there would be 1 cup of cream, which would have eventually, if you'd have added up all the 2s, you would have gotten cups of chocolate.
He would have gotten what?
The cups of chocolate.
The cups of chocolate. Okay, I'm not sure. I understood you were saying if you added up the 1 cup of cream and 2 cups of chocolate.
Yes, which would have equaled 3.
So this here would have been 3 cups?
Yes.
Okay.
And then for every 3 cups, there'd be 2 cups of chocolate and 1 cup of cream.
Okay, and so for this grouping of 3, here's where you see your 2 cups of chocolate and 1 cup
Yes.
of cream? Okay. Did you have something to add to that?
The answer would be to add those 2 together would equal 3, as he said.
Uh-huh.
And you would have to divide it by 9 because that's the number of total. And then you would get 3, and that's how many servings he does. And since you need 2 cups of chocolate and every 1 cup of cream, you have to multiply the 3 by 2 to get 6, and the answer would be 6 cups.
3 by 2 to get 6. Okay. What did you want to say, Sarah?
With what Jake said. So then, like what he said, there's 3 cups of the ingredients in the chocolate. So then he said that there's 9 cups of the ingredients. So he has to divide it by 3 because there's in the first row there's 3.
In this that Ashank was telling us about? Okay.
So then that will equal 3. But since there's it's asking how many cups of chocolate he used in the recipe.
Uh-huh.
You have to multiply it by 2.
Multiply this by 2? And that's what we were hearing. Okay, over there. Multiply that by 2 to get 6. And Andrew, what did you want to add?
It's basically following Ashank, but after he added the 1 cream and 2 chocolates equals to 3, he does that. He keeps doing that until he gets a total of 9.
Oh.
He counts up all the chocolates.
So you're saying we need to do this part?
Yeah, and then you keep like circling groups of 3 until you get a total of 9.
Until you get a total of 9.
And then you count up all the chocolates, and that would be 6 chocolates.
Oh, so that's where you see the 6?
Yeah.
Okay, interesting. Did you want to add on to that, Ashank?
Basically, my answer was also 6.
Okay. What did you want to say?
I agree with Andrew, but then this person probably thought because the 9 cups of the ingredients, they multiplied it by 1 cup of cream. So and then since each cup of cream there's 2 cups of chocolate, so they multiplied 2 cups of chocolate by 9 cups of cream. So they got 18 cups of chocolate.
So it sounds like a lot of you could have helped this student with what they already knew. You could have helped them pretty easily to get to the right answer.